Well, good morning, everybody. It's Rob with Travels with Dottie, and it is the 21st of September. Does that mean it's fall? Hang on. Wait. Hold the phones. First day of fall 2024. Tomorrow. Tomorrow is the first day of fall. So not today. We're close. Within 24 hours. Glad I checked. Sunday's September 22nd at 8:44 a.m. Eastern Time, which will be 5:44 a.m. here. And by the way, it is 4:52 a.m. Yeah, you got it. It's not even 5 o'clock. Why am I up so early? Well, I have a couple of appointments this morning. The first one starting at 6, East Coast appointments. So I need to get up early, do my positive news story, and do this and release my video for the day. And the video for the day is I go to my little favorite place here in Preferred RV Resort, the little garden. I love making videos and talking in that garden. And the title is Let's Talk About Nomad RV Life. Nice little 10, 11-minute video. Not my usually long one. But right now, we're going to get into the comments. And the comments start with... welcome to Pahrump, first day back in Pahrump. It's kind of a driving video, grocery video. And Robert Nasser says, we all cut through. Lefts are almost impossible to make from Smith's, Taco Bell, and the pawn shop. So that, like, if you're trying to make they're talking about coming out of that parking lot, trying to make a left on Nevada Highway 160, the main drag. It's 4 lanes and with a center turn lane, and it's just crazy. So they cut through parking lots to get to where they're going. I do the same thing. Carefully, legally. Don the First on the same video says, put the uneaten buns in the freezer in a plastic bag, break them up first. Yeah, I was complaining about, why can't they make like 4, like 3 or 4 hot dog bun packages? They don't. They make 8, and a couple of people said, hey, freeze your bread. Well, when you're in RV life, you know that freezer space is at a big premium, and bread, especially even little hot dog buns, takes up a lot. So I really liked the positive news story yesterday. It's called Amazing Temporary Homeless Solution. And this guy designed a little mini RV with a bicycle that pulls it. It's super small, super light, it's temporary. He's never meant it to be, you're going to live full time in this thing. It's got a bicycle built into the frame. It's got a little bed, converted into a couch, a sink, a bathroom. It's pretty cool. And Ken said, I read the same article just this morning. He got the idea from his brother being homeless for 5 years. For something negative to something positive indeed. Randy, same article. That's wonderful. I'm glad you provided the link to see more of the story. Thank you. You're welcome, Randy. Lisa Roth on Aaron's unexpected great service at Tire Works. That was definitely yesterday's video. Great that they can replace the wire. Plus, you being so close, you could use your bike. Win-win. Now, I'm making another video on that experience because it got even more interesting, and Tire Works, the company here, got even more outstanding in their service. They really did it for me, and I'm going to do a whole separate video on that for them. Dave's 2520 is on the same video. I recently moved to Pahrump and will definitely check out Tire Works when it comes to replacement tires. Excellent idea. Excellent idea. Let's see. JBA 124. Hey, Rob, got a question. Did I hear you say in another video that the check engine light on your truck's dashboard is due to a faulty knock sensor? I Googled knock center info for EcoBoost with a 3.5. You may want to Google it if you haven't already. And I have. And I said, I understand the situation thoroughly. Yet he came back again and said, According to Google, a faulty knock sensor may cause the engine to run poorly with a lack of power and acceleration. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think I heard you say the auto shop told you otherwise. JB, please let's close this subject. It's not at all what happened. They had nothing to do. This shop had nothing to do with this auto shop. This was from years ago, and let's let let's this one go without going into a lot of detail. I would say that as it happens to you, do it. JV suggests Google it, research it, and figure it out. But it's I think I've been over the knock sensor thing multiple times on other videos. So let's move on. Okay. Harvey Brewer on same video. That was great. They found your problem with your brakes. It's obvious this place is very reputable. To bring the stuff from home to fix it is remarkable. And there's going to be more about that in the video. They really did save me a ton of money by someone working there saying, "Hey, I have one of these things I can give you," versus selling me a new one. And wait till you find out how much a new one would have been. Modern automotive wire is made from soy-based products. Rodents love it. Glad everything worked out. Keep the great work. Also love Matt's off-road recovery. Yeah, I knew that rodents chewing wires could be a problem for full-time RV life. I did not realize how expensive a problem it is. I was thought, a couple $100. It could be, if rodents chew up destroy your wiring harness, that can cost, depending on what kind of car you have, the part of the actual harness. And the harness it's just all the wiring from your car from the front to the back, all in connected through a central connecting device. It's enormous, and it can be a few $100s to over $1,000 for the part. And it can be, if you look this up, it says, depending on your situation, it can be anywhere between 1 hour and 20 hours of labor to install it. So start adding those out. That's some serious stuff. CD Casita Adventures, that's Charlie and Diane. Glad they were able to find the chewed wire. It looks like a great RV resort and friends. 90 degrees here in Kansas. Already looking forward to quartzsite in January. You all have a great day, and pet Dottie for me. I will, Charlie. Let's see. I meant no disrespect, but I did hear you as to what FTW meant. So sorry again. Somebody just posted FTW, and it's I looked it up. I mean, it's for the win, and there wasn't. It was just a random FTW and no context. So I just deleted it. It didn't make any sense. So I'm not sure why she's apologizing, and I'm not sure what for the win. I'm very confused about the context for even from the first person that posted it. I guess I'm just out of touch. Then Ken Gray jumped into this chain and said, he said it meant for the win. Ken Gray, so sorry, only heard F. The world, F the world, but I'm sure that's where there are many different meanings. My mistakes. That's even worse. It means F word the world. I don't get it. I don't like it. Sorry. Nash, as always, I enjoy your commitment video. I think she meant comment video, I'm sure. Auto correct, probably. That was kind to the officer. You never know what power words have. Words can lift you up to do great things or can break you down, so always try to be kind. I agree with that. Don the First, yay, home again. Cannot wait to see you visiting friends and enjoying laundry days. It's funny. The friends here that I hang out with and go outside and have coffee with, they're not real big on being filmed. So I got to honor that. Nana Chris Casita says, wear the glasses are the most comfortable ones. Okay. I dropped the microphone. Okay. A lot of people hate how these look, but they are the most comfortable ones. Okay, I'm doing it. Naj, again, I have a cousin that lives in Hurricane, Utah. You actually pronounce it correctly. Yeah. You say, if you live there or you're there, say hurricane, not hurricane. Most people pronounce it like the storm hurricane. The first time I went to visit her, she corrected me in my pronunciation. No, that's a joke between us. She meant between her and her sister. Color creativity. Thanks for the video showing your travels through Pahrump. It shows a very nice little town. I'm sure you can find just about anything you might need there. I agree. Population of 2022 is 47,711. I will put this on my list to visit. Yeah, it's 47,000. And I think that's the vast majority of Nye County. I mean, vast majority. Nana Chris Casita. We use the fabric sheets that repel the hair, and I will never go without it. So I'm trying this. This is the Bounce hair repellent for the dryer. We'll see if it works. I'll let you know. I bought some. Let's go. This is good. Clue 5919. If you take the Pepsid and use the chiropractor, how will you know which is helping your heartburn? I said, oops, and laugh out loud. Good point. But since I was at the chiropractor, I haven't had well, that's not true. I had a touch of it early this morning, but totally night and day. And I don't know whether it was the Pepsid or the chiropractor. I guess I'll have to stop taking the Pepsid to see if the chiropractic is working. Let's say kudos to Tire Works. Customer service and honesty is everything. That's Pete Diaz. And I had a short on this really cool little garden you can sit in and hang out in here. There's a koi pond, and I did a short of close-ups of all the fish. And Randy says very nice. Very nice. And then we have Josetta, Moto Z Josetta. Wow. Okay. I hope I pronounced that right. You're so close to each other, all friends. That was the short on my new campsite. And the last one is Minty De Silva. And we have yet again another comment on Renogy inverter fails to run microwave from 2 years ago. Thank you so much for doing this video. It saved me loads of hassle and money. Now my microwave works great in my camper. Let's see how many views it has now. Let's go. Let's see. I can't see anything until the damn ads play. How annoying. Isn't that annoying? The ads. Sorry. Let's see. 1,800 views. And 43 comments. And this was, does it say how long ago I posted it? You know, it should, why wouldn't it say when it was posted? Why wouldn't it say that? It's got to say it someplace here. Why would, that's basic information. Come on. Under overview. I'm a little stunned that it doesn't say, oh, okay. It's not quite 2 years ago. March 24th, 2023, when I was in quartzsite. Not last season, but the season before I did this video. And it people continue to watch it and to implement the solution. It's pretty neat. Anyway, I probably bored the heck out of you. Sorry about that. It's a good short one today. Long form video is going to be, I'm going to turn that on now. I'll upload this. It'll probably take about an hour, but everything, all 3 videos should be ready to go soon, soon, soon. And I will see you on the next one. Take care.